Oh, it's just started snowing, so I'm gonna have to get my coat to go and cover some of my plants that I know are sensitive to the snow. I have to protect the plants because there was one of them that I've lost before due to the weather condition, and I don't want that to happen. It's 2 degrees snowing. My car is covered with snow, and my front, my drive, and I've got my pots, the plants in pots, they're also covered in snow. And I've come out to remove some and also to cover some, and I'll show you the ones in a minute because some of them are frost sensitive. Snowy day. You see the snow falling on me? So I've got 4 varieties of Coprosma. This one, the biggest one, this is about 3 years old now. The lime lemon green variety. I've had experience of leaving them at a very low condition, temperature about 2 degrees or minus, and they were in the snow, and it just went downhill from there. So if you have a plant like that, at the moment you need to make sure you protect them. I'm going to be covering mine now. That's why I came out to do that. So this is the lime green, and there's another of the variety that I've got, this one, and I've got another one. So there are 3 of them lined up just by my doorstep. This is the very reason why I put them in pots and by the this doorstep. One was slightly exposed before, so I had to take it out and I've removed the snow. You can see the snow in the pot. I'm hoping that I got it on time because I really don't want it to be affected by this condition. So this is the last one, and this is the plastic of the protection I have. I don't have the other one, so I think this would do. I hope this will be fine because it actually had some snow on it before I got out, but I've removed all of it, and hopefully the warmth that this would provide for it will keep it. I don't know the forecast. I don't know if it's going to be it will carry on dropping the temperature, I mean, but nevertheless I've done what I can. This is okay. So I have put 3 of them. The lemon lime is quite big, so it's just the one. It's the only one under this one, and this other this one has 2 of the Coprosma in there. I need 1 more bag to put the 4th one in, which I'll do in a moment. So I've done all of them now. If you've ever had to cover any of your plants to protect them from frost, let me know, and put it in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll enjoy the snow. Okay, see you next time. Bye.